The celebration of the 72nd Republic Day 2021 started with the hoisting of the national flag at the Polo Grounds, Shillong, by the chief guest, His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya, Satyapal Malik, which was followed by a parade of 4 different contingents and the inspection of the Guard of Honor by the chief guest. In his address, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya paid homage to the freedom fighters of the country as well as to patriots of the state, while at the same time greeting members of the defense and police forces for their relentless service to people of Meghalaya. He also thanked all frontliners and health workers for effectively managing the pandemic for the last 10 months and also lauded the government's efforts in dealing with the same in an effective and timely manner. The governor's address also included the announcement of various developmental schemes with regards to drinking water, road construction, power generation, sports and healthcare infrastructure, education, agriculture, rural livelihood through the MGNREGS scheme and women empowerment. On the promotion of entrepreneurship in the state, the governor announced the state's achievements through the setting up of prime hubs in different districts of Meghalaya under the Restart Meghalaya mission. He further made mention of various project components towards the promotion of tourism, sustainable management of natural resources, and youth development.
On this day, we salute the values of our democracy and reaffirm our commitment to the constitutional values of liberty, fraternity and equality. Let us also pay homage to the freedom fighters who fought for our country's independence. Let us remember with reverence the founding fathers of our republic and the makers of our constitution, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We also remember Meghalaya's own patriots, U Tiroth Singh, U Kiang Nangba, Pa Togan and Sangama, and many other unsung heroes. I would also like to greet the members of the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and the police force. The overall law and order situation in the state continues to be peaceful. We began this decade with the vision and promise of Meghalaya decade, a decade that would witness Meghalaya progressing to be among the top 10 Indian states within the next 10 years. The government has also started the process for creation of durable rural sports infrastructure across the state with an investment of about 75 crore. On health infrastructure, complete renovation of 659 health facilities in the state is being taken under the World Bank funded Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Project. In the last few months, 40 health sub-centers have been powered with solar power and energy efficient appliances. In the eastern sector, education sector, a comprehensive plan for repair and upgradation of infrastructure at all primary and secondary schools of the state have been approved. For this year, an amount of rupees 100 crore has been earmarked and construction works will begin soon. Friends, the government launched the Restart Meghalaya mission as a concerted response to the economic slowdown caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. We made a commitment to spend 14,515 crore on a range of developmental activities over the next 3 years. I am happy to inform you that many of these programs are being well implemented. This government has, over the last 3 years, given an unprecedented focus towards improving infrastructure. In road sector, expansion and rehabilitation work has been on some of the important major district roads with an investment of 386 crore under the World Bank funded integrated transport project.
The close of the Governor's address on the 72nd Republic Day celebration this morning included the announcement of the enactment of Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act, the organized auto-renewal and centralized inspection system, and the almost completed UN-mandated Sustainable Development Goals. He also informed of the release of the Public Affairs Center that has recognized Meghalaya as the second best governed small state in Public Affairs Index. Attendees to the Republic Day celebrations included Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District Isawanda Lalu, Chairman State Planning Board Lambor Malngyang, government officials, heads of different departments, members of the paramilitary and defense forces, besides other invitees.